Hey everyone, in this video I want to give you a free lower thirds template that you can use, and it's a great example of how to edit a template for this course. So head over to videoschoolonline.com/modern and you'll get to this page where you can click this link down here. It will take you to another page for you to download. You just click I want this, and then you get to name a fair price. You can download it for free by typing in 0, or you can donate a little bit of cash, and then you just click get and you will get an email with a download link. Once you do that, within your Finder or Documents, you will find a zip file. Open it up, and within that folder are two subfolders, Assets and Projects. Within Assets, there is a font, Open Sans. That's the font I'm using in this project. Of course, you can change it to whatever font you use, but I thought it was a nice looking font, nice and clean and modern, so I would just make sure that you install that one for this project. And then under projects, you will see two versions. One is a Creative Cloud version of this project, and another is CS6. So these are different types of After Effects. If you have downloaded After Effects recently, it is most likely the Creative Cloud version. So when you open up this After Effects project, there are a few folders over in your project window and a few tabs open in your timeline. The first ones you want to check out are lower third 1 and 2, and if you scrub through this, you can see that there are two different styles of this lower third. And in the second one, again, a different style, and this one has more information that can be added. So to edit this text, you go up to this title text folder where there is name 1, name 2, and more info. Name 1 is for lower third 1, so if we double click that, we get this composition open. It's also open already on your timeline, so if you just tab over to name 1, you can edit this text. So let's just put in my name for an example, and just so that you know if anything gets messed up, this first name I've put it as Open Sans Light, and the last name is Open Sans Bold. So if you just double click all of it and then type in your name, so I will do Philip Ebner, and then I will double click the last name and change this to bold. We want to make sure that this is actually within these guides. So I added these guides to this composition, and that is to make sure that it appears and is centered over our bar. So if we just click on the text and shrink it down using the character panel to make sure that it's within that left and right bar, and then go back to our lower third 1, you can see that it is now just there centered over the bar. Now to edit lower third 2, we just tab over to name 2, and again type in our name, Philip Ebner. I'm going to again change the last name to bold. And this one, I don't care if it's centered, I care that it's left aligned, and so we don't want to move this text at all, and it can actually be as long as you want. You don't have to worry about it going too far to the right. So if we go back to lower third 1, now it has my name. So for the more information, we can type in something that defines me. So let's double click this text and we will call it Online Instructor. So if we go back to lower third 2, now you have Philip Ebner, Online Instructor. And that's a pretty cool modern lower third. So there you have it. That's how you edit this template. One major thing that you will want to know that's different than the other templates is rendering or exporting out these lower thirds, because if we export it just like we've done before, it will export with this black background, and we don't want that because we want to be able to put this lower third over video that we have of ourselves, or if you're doing an interview and adding this title over some other video. So we want to make this black background transparent when we export. So to do that, go up to Composition and select Add to Render Queue as if you were exporting, how we've done before. When we click Lossless though, instead of going to Format Options and changing this to H.264, we're going to go over to this box where it says Channels. Right now it's on RGB. What we're going to choose is RGB plus alpha. So that's saying that we just want the alpha layer and not the background to be exported. So if you do that and leave format options for animation, and click OK, and then again choose the output wherever you want to export to, and then click render to render it out. You will export this lower third with a transparent background, and that's what we want if we want to take this and add it to another video. So that's this modern lower thirds template that I have for you. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any questions about how to use it or want other types of lower thirds created, send me a message and we'll see what I can do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.